Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are watching the most exciting series on tiny machine learning using Jetson Nano and Edge Impulse platform. So in the previous lesson I showed you how to start capturing the images using the USB webcam. So make sure that you are connected to your USB webcam, and I am already connected. As you can see, my Jetson Nano is plugged in already. I have a microphone, though we may not be using the microphone in this lesson. We'll be using mainly the USB camera. So as I explained, guys, I hope you have collected as many images as possible. I would recommend, based on my experience, I'm telling you, I would recommend at least 100 to 200 images. The more the amount of data you have, it's better for the model and the accuracy. Any which ways. So we captured around 15 20 images, I think 18 images in the previous lesson. So let's use the same thing. And I'm going to show you on the Edge Impulse platform the documentation which is well written, step by step, how it has been well documented. And same thing we are going to follow in this lesson to upload the data and proceed with the next step. All right. So let's quickly go in. I want to make sure that I'm connected to Edge Impulse platform. I think I'm connected. Yes, I'm connected. So I'm going to, yes, I am connected. Okay, so what we need to do, you need to go down, scroll this page down, go to the documentation section. Okay, go to the documentation and go down, select your device, that is your NVIDIA Jetson Nano. Select this. Once you select this, at the bottom, scroll down, bottom of the page, you can see building machine learning model, responding to voice, recognize sound from audio, adding sight to your sensors, and then object detection. So go to the last one, go to object detection. Okay, in the object detection, here you can see, forget about one, forget about two, we already got the data set, we already captured the data set. You may also capture through the mobile phone and stuff. So that's what they are saying, 30 plus 30 images, different images. And then let's go here. Now in this section it says, with the data collected, we need to label this data, which we did already as joystick. So go to data acquisition, verify that you see your data, and then click on labeling queue. But before that, we need to follow this, right? What it says is clicking the upload icon. So let me just go ahead and upload it. Where is the upload button? The upload button is here. So we collected 18 items, right? 18 images. Maybe we can start gathering some more image, because this may not be sufficient, I suppose. Let's gather. Let's gather some more. I'm going to take the joystick and I'm going to keep it here in front of the camera. Start sampling. Start sampling. Start sampling. Start sampling. Start sampling. Start sampling. And again you need to click start sampling. You need to keep clicking, guys. You need to keep gathering as much as possible. Start sampling. Start sampling. Start sampling. Start sampling. Okay, I think let's give a try, though it may not be sufficient. So now what we need to do, we got to click. We have about 30 items, so we have to click this upload data. Can you see this arrow mark? Upload existing data. Okay, upload existing data, automatically split between training. Okay, I think this is from the data we gathered using the cell phone. Let's read through the document again. It says, or you can capture your images using another camera and then upload them by going to data. Okay, all right, this is from your mobile phone or anything else. Let's look at how we are uploading the existing data. Collect images from the studio. For Raspberry Pi, you can collect the following devices from the studio. Let's look at the studio. I think this is what we need to be doing. Adding site to your sensors, start sampling. A few moments later, depending on the speed of the development board and the resolution, you will have an image collected. All right, we have the image being collected, and then what we need to do this until you have captured 30 images per class from a variety. Also make sure you have to vary things to capture unknown class. All right, but where do we upload? Okay, let's do some R&D, guys. We will learn this along. Begin upload, not this. We are not going to try this. Upload the existing data, data acquisition. Let's look at, okay, this is just going to the upload file. Let's go back to data acquisition. This is our data. Let's look at this. Select multiple items, upload existing, show detail view. Click on sample to upload. Raw data, click on sample to upload. But where is the sample? I am not seeing the sample button at all. If you guys see any sample button, do let me know, guys. Download, move test data, rename. This is kind of weird. This is totally grayed out. It says click on the sample to load. Click on the sample to load. It's a part of learning, guys. I am learning with you and making this video. So you cannot expect me to be 100% perfect in everything, right? So everyone learns all together. But where is the sample? Click on sample. These are the sample, but where do we upload? Training test. Let me just click on each of this. Maybe I'll select this. Okay, there is an option to select this sample name. Select. Okay, all right, I got it, guys. I got it. So you got to select this, select multiple items, select all these images, then move to test set. Okay, move to test set. All the 30 to test set? No, I don't think so. Because test set will require just about 20 to 30% of them. Rest 70% should be for the training set, training data. So let's do one thing, unselect all. Let's select 1, 2, we have 30 images, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's select, let's move this 12 test set to the training data. Okay. Oh no, sorry, it should move to test set. Move to test. Let's click on test. Now let's go to data acquisition. Again, select items, select about the first entire column. I'll select all this. Out of 30 images, we can probably pick up say about 12. Yeah, 12. So move to test. Okay. Oh, are you sure you want to move 12 items to test? No, I think it should be 80%, guys. So let's select some more. Let's go to the next row and select all this. Okay, now we got 24 out of 30 items, which is pretty decent. Okay, Move to test set again, it says. It should be the training set actually. Oh no. Oh man, we are moving 80% to test, which is not good. Let's do one thing. Let's unselect all this. So can you see that how I'm doing my own research? So this is the way to learn, guys. As simple as that. I never took up any classes or anything. I just learned by myself doing all this kind of research and play around. Okay, we have 12 selected. Let's move to test set. It should go to test. Okay, move to test data set. Are you sure you want to move 12 items to testing data? Okay, yes, move. All right, here you can see the green move. And now let's move rest of the things to training set. We need to click on this is the test data. We already have all the test data here. If you click on test data, we have 12 items. Now let's go to training data. In training data, okay, 18 items collected here. Okay, all right. So it's already in training data. Okay, guys, I got the logic. I'm able to figure out the logic. So the way when we collect the data here, start sampling, and start sampling, it automatically goes into the training bucket, the training data bucket. So this is the training data bucket, right? From this training data bucket, we need to select items, select about 20% of the images, and then put that and move to test. Okay, now the logic is clear. It's pretty simple. It looks simple, but we struggle, right? Anyways, now, all right, click on sample to load. Now what we need to do, I will do some research and I will come back to you in the next video how we are going to do that. So guys, it's little tricky, right? So even I am learning with you guys and I'm trying to teach the audience as well. So it's all about research. It's all about taking the interest and find out what is happening, where to click, what to click, think logically, think systematically, and do some troubleshooting. So that is the way I learn. That is exactly the way I learn. So I would expect my viewers to do the same. Of course, I'm here to do a one-on-one coaching. I'll help you to navigate through the situations and issues. As far as Edge Impulse is concerned, this platform I am also using for the first time. It's totally new for me. I'm exploring with Nano 33 BLE Sense. I am also using Jetson Nano with this platform, and I'm using a couple of other devices with Edge Impulse platform. I'm still learning and I'm trying to do some debugging and troubleshooting and research and learning along with you guys. Alright, so I will come back to you in the next video. Let me just go through this again, the examples, and learn myself first, and I'll make another video for you guys. Most likely the next lesson is going to be any which ways we uploaded almost 20% of the data into the test and rest 80% is in the training. So now I need to understand how to train the data, right? So that's what I'm going to learn myself and I will teach you as well. All right, goodbye guys.